Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about how can we customize phone sleep time setting in our MI and any Android phone. Friends, we want to customize guys your phone sleep time setting guys. You want to set guys according to your choice your phone sleep time setting. So how can you set and how can you use your phone sleep time setting? Today I am going to show you in this video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting without waste time. After on phone setting guys, we will scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting in your phone. So man, how can you customize? So friends, you can see guys your phone lock screen setting guys, tap here. Friends, again scroll. Friends, you can see guys your lock screen setting guys, tap here. So friends, you can customize your phone sleep time setting according to yourself. You will click on 5 minutes, while after 5 minutes your phone will sleep. If you click as you want to set it to 2 minutes, so you can set 1 minute and 30 seconds and 15 seconds. So why we will click on this 2 minute is a normal screen, means your phone sleep time setting. So we will not click in our phone screen. So while after 2 minutes your phone will sleep. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye my friends.